Hi everyone, welcome. We build a Telegram bot that will auto trade on Aster DEX, or also you can trade manually, like buying and selling tokens on market, or even you can place a limit order for buy or sell. Let me show you my bot how it's work. So here is the notifications of orders that fill at the time of sell and buy. So we are buying and selling tokens and making profits. Let me show you, here is some images of my data right now in my wallet. This account working on other PC. So here is image, and here is orders. So right now bot is out of range, so all of my orders is filled when the price go up in our range. So then it will be start working again. Here we can check our balance. As you can see in the image, the same balance and the Aster balance, okay, and the active orders. So right now we have 10 active orders, the all orders for sell. So these all orders, when triggered, we also get notified, and the buy order automatically placed. So we don't need to do nothing, it will trade automatically. So here is the start grid bot. When we start grid bot, so it will be asked for the which pair you want to trade, how much grids and how much amount of USDT and the range amount, then you have to start. So this bot automatically calculate the grid size and per size of grid how much we want to buy and where to sell. And if we stop it right now, but I don't want to stop because I want to keep it here, have manually place orders. So we want to place order on market or even limit order. Let me show you an example for limit order. So we will enter the name like Aster USDT. So now they are asking you want to buy or you want to sell. Let me here amount of 10 USDT I want to buy. The final stage, enter the price. Right now we don't have enough balance, like we have only 1 USDT. Let me 1.20. On the price of 1.20 I want to buy $10 of Easter. So fail to place limit order because we don't have enough balance. So we can make order on the market. If we come back, so here is the features of this bot. Anyone interested or have you more question, so you can contact us on our Telegram for the price and more information.